What is up, ladies and gentlemen of the universe? Welcome back to Colorado. Welcome back to February 2nd, 2020. And look at how beautiful it is here. Now, we do have to be very aware of all this gravel out here on the roads, but it's nice to be up in the canyons again. Woo! Damn, it's been too damn long. So nice to be out here, though. Just get up here with a group of good riders. We're gonna ride nice and calm. Just kind of a scouting ride. Have some fun. And of course, it being Colorado, tomorrow and Tuesday, there goes Joey Mac. Tomorrow and Tuesday, we're supposed to get 8 to 10 inches of fucking snow. Woo-hoo! Ain't it awesome living here in Colorado? You never know what tomorrow will bring. But today is beautiful blue skies. 60, 70 degree temperatures, fairly clean and almost dry. Say that as we hit some fucking water. And ooh, look at that runoff. That's the kind of shit you gotta watch out for. Canyon roads. Oh man, they're nice. So nice to be back up at home. Back up where I love to be. Unfortunately dealing with a bunch of peddlers today because it's beautiful and they want to get out too. And I really should have recorded the highway jaunt over here because it's just awesome, man, being in Colorado. I can't convey to you guys how many motorcyclists we saw on the way over here. It was just like group after group after group after group after group. And oh cool, we're gonna take high grade. All right, I was unaware that this is where we were gonna go. I don't know, probably saw 20, 30 motorcycles on the way over here, just riding down the highway. Swear to God, if the mercury gets above 50 degrees, everybody's out riding. All right, scrub the dirt off. Oh, we got more dirt. This road is notorious for being very, very gravelly. So we're going to be very careful going up this road, I hope. Or wait, what am I talking about? No, guys, what you're seeing is not beautiful blue skies and absolutely crystal clear fucking almost perfect asphalt. No, in February in Colorado, we're under like 4 feet of snow. You guys stay where you're at. I'm sure it's beautiful there. There is a lot of gravel out here, though. Definitely not going to want to hit these aggressively. One of the things I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about while I was out here riding today was the return of MotoVlogging. Seriously, I've started seeing some of the bigger channels talk about MotoVlogging again. What do you guys think? There's a little splatter there. You think it actually has a chance? You think it can be risen from the dead like Undertaker back in the 80s? I don't know. I don't know if MotoVlogging as a form really can be resurrected. I don't know if there's the interest out there. If there is, sound off in the comments down below. Let me know. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see me return to, or you'd like to see Do It With Dickhead return to. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he still owns a bike. I don't know, it's buried somewhere back behind his Mustang and his Dually and his Camaro, both of them, and his Gladiator and all of his project vehicles. I'm sure he's got a bike back there somewhere, but he's led it to believe that he might actually get back into motovlogging. Same thing with Jake the Garden Snake, but I'm not sure if Jake ever really abandoned it. Brent with Motonosity has definitely been talking about coming back to it, and even Chase on 2 wheels went out and bought himself his own bike. So is that a sign of things to come? Are we actually gonna get fucking motovlogging from Chase on 2 wheels, one of the OGs who's abandoned it? I mean, I know his partner in crime has gone to busting crimes, and all the luck to Yummy R6, man. I hope he's fucking happy and has a great life, you know. But he's a cop now. He's the guy they used to run from. Funny how the circle fucking turned, right? Oh man, it is a good day to be out here. I kind of got burned out on motovlogging. It's difficult to come up with conversation pieces, and I guess I just need to be more involved with the community again, and maybe we'll get more topics and that kind of stuff and challenges going this summer. And thank you, sir. It's a nice little caterham you got there. Oh my God, we don't have asphalt, we got sand. Lots and lots and lots of sand. No dragging knees or you're dragging your head. This is what I don't like about high grade. If you guys haven't seen my ride on virgin clean asphalt on high grade, give it a watch up there in that video. Up in that top right corner, I will put a link to my expose of high grade and the start of that series. That I am looking forward to that. I don't know if that classifies, that's motor vlogging or road vlogging. Whoa, that was a kick out. I'm definitely looking forward to that season. I'm looking forward to that series. That's going to be cool, going out and exploring the different roads and bringing them to you guys. That's kind of what I started this channel as originally. I wanted to bring the beauty and the joy of being on two wheels in Colorado to you guys out on the YouTubes. And yeah, I kind of deviated from that, but we're gonna get back to it, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the absolutely incredible and gorgeous roads around Colorado this summer. Not today. Today I can't get fun today. I mean, it's fun being out on two, but it's not fun. You get me? Yeah, Empress is gonna be cranky when I get home, is what I'm saying. And if I'm gonna have fun, then I gotta have fun, and my girls gotta have fun, because when my girl's smiling, I got ear to ear, and I'm sporting a semi, and that's a good time. But we're gonna bring those to you guys this summer. I'm looking forward to that. I don't know, just kind of up here battling, taking in the views. What do you guys think about that series? Again, sound off in the comments below. Somebody leave a goddamn comment. Let me know. What's up, Harley? Or Honda? I guess that's a Goldwing. But yeah, what do you guys think about the Mountain Roads series that I'm bringing out to the U-verse? Probably blowing up Joey's ear right now. I think I'm going to turn off public mode. I'm sure he already has, but we don't need to intercom my entire motovlog. But you know what? The Colorado community, Colorado motorcycle community is freaking awesome, man. My buddy Mike Chambers, who's up there on a absolutely gorgeous Gen 2 Tuono racing, put out the post just earlier this week, seeing if anybody would be willing or interested in getting out into the canyons on a mellow canyon ride for Sunday, just to get out and enjoy it. And we got 11 people out here. Just spur of the moment, hell yeah, I want to go. And we had probably 7 or 8 people who are like, damn, I wish I had more notice. I got family this, or obligation that, or this, yeah, you know. So, I mean, everybody out here, man, as soon as it gets above 50 degrees down in Denver, we're all out on two. And I hope it's the same wherever you guys live. But I know it wasn't that way in California, man. I was shocked. I did not see many motorcycles in California, except SCMM. I mean, but that's like a motorcycle meet. There were, yeah, a couple hundred motorcycles. That was a motorcycle meet that had been prearranged and promoted for months, and it was at a motorcycle dealership. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of bikes out. Day to day, I just didn't see as many bikes out as I do around Denver. Even in January, February, as soon as the mercury gets above 50 degrees. It's freaking cool, man. We got some runoff. We're definitely going to be taking it easy and just enjoying it. That is a really cool house, but they put it on the wrong side of the street. South side, doesn't get any sun. They're going to be frozen till Mother's Day. Kind of want to shut up and just let Empress sing. Pine is nice. Deckers Road is gorgeous right now, guys. Oh yeah. Get a little Joey Mac clutch up action. Yeah, don't worry about me, brother. You ain't losing me. Oh, there's our daily trips. Gotta hit the trips. There's the daily sand in my eye. I could do without that. Colin, you crazy sumbitch. Let her sing, boys, let her sing. I'll stroke your ass. Ooh. I need to wipe my visor.
Hell yeah, that was fucking awesome.
Here we are, the top of the infamous Horsepower Hill. us.
Eyes are wide open.
Looks like on the way back we're gonna have a lot of position too. Kind of curious and a little concerned about the technical section that's coming up right here, because if we're seeing this much gravel, it's kind of possible, maybe even probable, we're gonna get more of it down here in the valley in the technical section. It starts getting nice and tight and twisty. It's right over there. Well, down, you know, it's down around the corner. Yeah, here's some more.
You can hit 160 if you want.
There's just so much traffic on Highway 7 going up.
Not on the north side, if you're going a weekday.
Mm.
I'll go up there like a Wednesday afternoon. Have at it.
It's the beauty of setting your own schedule.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Yeah, that's kind of the beauty of it. You know what? I think I'm not going to work today. Sometimes, you know what? I think I'm going to rebuild this engine, but I'm not going to put clothes on it.
I'm not going to tell you, but I rebuilt your engine naked.
I did a two-stroke a couple months ago in my rope.
Oh, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this tour of the Colorado Canyons, I don't know what a fist up means. That's not a standard sign. But if you guys enjoyed this tour of the Colorado Canyons in February, go ahead and give that thumbs up, a like, or a pounding, or a smash, or whatever you want to do, 2020 style. Oh, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one, out in the canyons. Keep that shiny side up. You know I love each and every one of you. I'm going to go through all of them because I'm fucking geeked up to be in the canyons in February in Colorado. I'm out of breath. Peace. Woo!